Welcome to Born Cottage. So the beautiful container house you are watching on the screen. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 20 feet 3 containers. The total area I have taken is the width is 24 feet in meter 7.31 meter and the length is 20 feet in meter 6.09 meter. So in the front we have a sliding door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have living plus kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, chair arrangement, tea table arrangement and also TV unit on the front wall, and we have a large glass panel for ventilation and light purpose of this area. If we go on the left side, so we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement and also TV unit on the front wall, and we have a wardrobe arrangement and two large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this room. After that we will go inside. So we have kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the dining counter with 4 chairs and kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement, and also we have a large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. Also we have a library section here. On the left side we have common use washroom plus water closet here. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. On the back side we have attached washroom plus water closet with this room. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house designs, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.